Hello students, now we are continuing the next point of vectors, theorem number 4. If a bar, b bar and c bar are three non-coplanar vectors, prove that any vector r bar, that is resultant vector, in space can be uniquely expressed as a linear combination of given three vectors, that is a bar, b bar and c bar. In proof, we will take three vectors. In x-axis, the vector OB denotes small b bar, then this y-axis and z-axis, O to N that denotes c bar and O to A denote a bar. To find out the resultant vector r bar, let OP bar, origin to we take any point on the axis, that is P, represent the vector r bar. OP bar is represent the vector of resultant vector, that is r bar, and starting point from origin to first point A, OA denotes small a bar, OB that is b bar and OC that is c bar, represents the three non-coplanar vectors, that is a bar, b bar and c bar respectively. Then they pass through the point P. In the diagram they pass through the point P. Draw planes parallel to the planes. Then we draw the planes parallel to the planes BOC, that is point B, OC, then COA and AOB, 1, 2 and 3. These are the parallel planes intersecting the lines, that planes intersecting the lines to the origin, that is OA, OB and OC, intersecting the lines, that is L, M and N, intersecting the lines point L here, then M point and N point, intersecting respectively. Now the distance of OL bar, that is distance of OL bar is small a bar, then OB bar is small b bar and OC bar is small c bar. Now here OL bar is a bar, collinear vectors, hence there exists a non-zero scalars x-axis such that OL bar is equal to, we take here the multiplication of x and position vector a bar, that is OL bar is equal to x a bar. Similarly we find out the OM bar and ON bar. In OM bar, that is B bar and OB bar are the collinear vectors, because the direction of B bar and OB bar, that is same direction. Therefore, the distance of OM bar is equal to OM bar and ON bar distance denote y-axis and z-axis, that is OM bar is equal to YB bar and ON bar is equal to ZC bar. Now we find out the OP bar, origin to point, that is find out here OP bar. Then OP bar is equal to OL bar plus LP bar. We are already finding out the values of the OL. Therefore, that is the resultant R bar is equal to OL bar plus LQ bar plus QP bar. Then OL bar plus OM bar plus ON bar, that is the values of above. Therefore, the resultant vector R bar is equal to x-axis into A bar plus y-axis into B bar plus z-axis into C bar. Thus, R bar is expressed as a linear combination of these three vectors, position vectors, that is A bar, B bar and C bar. That is, we denote x A bar plus y B bar plus z C bar. We take it is uniquely resultant vector. Then we know that the resultant vector is equal to x A bar plus y B bar plus z C bar. Then we take its dash resultant vector. Then let the possible R bar is equal to x dash A bar plus y dash B bar plus z dash C bar. Where x dash, y dash and z dash are scalars, then the x A bar plus y B bar plus z C bar is equal to, we denote the same x dash A bar plus y dash B bar plus z dash C bar. We comparing the above equations, two equations, then we get x A bar minus x dash a bar plus y b bar minus y dash b bar plus z c bar minus z dash c bar is equal to, here the constant term a bar and then remaining terms in bracket x minus x dash plus here constant term b bar, remaining term in bracket y minus y dash plus c bar constant, that is z dash minus z. We will give equation number first. The linear combination for r bar resultant factor will be established if you show that the values of x is equal to x dash, y is equal to y dash and z is equal to z dash. At that time the contrary, that is z is equivalent to, or z is not equivalent to z dash. Therefore z dash minus z is not equivalent to 0. Then the dividing both the sides of above equation first. Then we divide the above equation by z dash minus z. That is equation first. We get, that is x minus x dash into a bar divided by z dash minus z plus y minus y dash divided by z dash minus z into b bar is equal to z dash minus z divided by z dash minus z into c bar. Therefore we get the value of c bar, that is c bar is equal to x minus x dash divided by z dash minus z into a bar plus y minus y dash divided by z dash minus z into b bar. That is z dash minus z and z dash minus z get cancelled. This shows that this c bar is expressed as linear combination of a bar and c bar. Then three position vectors, that is a bar, b bar and c bar are coplanar. This is a contradiction, since the a bar, b bar and c bar are given to be non-coplanar. Therefore z is equal to z dash. Similarly we can show that the x is equal to x dash and y is equal to y dash. This proves the uniqueness of the linear combination of x a bar plus y b bar plus z c bar, that is the linearly equivalent to x dash a bar plus y dash b bar plus z dash c bar. Then next point is position factor of a point P, X, Y, Z in a space. Finding out the position factor. Then let me take the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Here that is x-axis x, origin x dash, y origin y dash and z origin z dash in the above diagram. We will give the point P, that is P, x, y, z, x coordinate, y coordinate and z coordinate. Be any point in the space whose position factor with respect to the origin. Its position factor finding out its origin, that is point P bar. X axis denotes its position vector I bar, I cap, y axis j cap and z axis k cap. Then we find out the distance of OX, origin to x, then origin to y and origin to z respectively. Origin to x, that is ON and OX are linearly combination. Then we draw the lines PM perpendicular from the point P to the XY plane and that meet at the point M. XY plane perpendicular line that meet the point M perpendicularly. And draw MN perpendicular from M to X axis and that meet at the point N. Then OP bar is equal to, then the distance here O to P bar, that is OP bar. Then OP bar is equal to ON bar plus NM bar plus MP bar. We will give equation number first, but ON is equal to X, NM is equal to Y and MP is equal to Z. We know that. Therefore, ON only X. That when we find the ON bar is equal to XI cap, then NM bar is equal to YJ cap and MP bar is equal to ZK cap. That is the values they put in the above equation first becomes, therefore OP bar is equal to, in the place of ON we put the value X into I cap plus Y into J cap, that is NM, and MP value that is plus Z into K cap. Thus the position vectors of any point P, X, Y, Z in space is given by OP bar, that is P bar is equal to XI cap plus YJ cap plus ZK cap. where the I, J and K are the unit vectors along the X, Y and Z axis. Now we have to find out the magnitude of P bar. In right angle triangle, we know that the right angle triangle, we take the triangle ONM. Then here OM square is equal to one side square, that is ON square plus NM square. The value of ON, that is X square plus Y square. In right angle triangle, OP square minus OM square plus MP square is equal to X square plus Y square plus Z square. Therefore, taking square root of both the sides of above equation, we get OP is equal to under root, that is OM is value X square plus Y square, that is X square plus Y square plus Z square. That is the distance. Then its magnitude, modulation of P bar is equal to OP is equal to under root X square plus Y square plus Z square. For example, that is P point, its coordinates X, Y and Z dash 2, minus 1, 3. Then find out the OP bar is equal to P bar, that is 2 into I cap minus 1, that is 1 into J cap plus 3 into K cap, and the modulation of P bar is equal to under root, that is X square plus Y square plus Z square. Therefore X square, that is 2 square, the coefficient of J, that is minus 1, that is square, plus coefficient of K is 3 square. Therefore modulation of P is equal to under root 2 square is 4, minus 1 square is plus 1, 3 square is 9. Its addition, therefore the modulation of P bar is equal to under root 14. Then the complement form of R cap, we know that its complement that is point P, X, Y, Z. Then the position vectors Xi plus Yj plus Zk, X, Y, Z are called as the components of R cap along origin to X, origin to Y and origin to Z axis. The next point is vector joining two points. Let A point here, X axis, X origin X dash, Y origin Y dash. Then the point A, X1, Y1, Z1 and point B, X2, Y2, Z2. Then the position vectors of A bar and B bar, that is position vector of OA is A bar and position vector of OB is B bar with respect to the origin. Therefore the A bar, that is resultant vector, A bar is equal to X1 into X axis I cap plus Y1 into J cap plus Z1 into K cap. Then find out the B bar position vector, that is B bar is equal to X2 point X2 into I cap plus Y2 into J cap plus Z2 into K cap. Now the distance of A to B point, AB bar, is equal to AO plus OB is equal to, we write the minus OA bar plus OB bar. Then OB bar minus OA bar, we write here, is equal to B bar minus A bar. We know that the values of B bar and A bar, we put here, that is X2 I cap plus Y2 J cap plus Z2 K cap, that is value of B bar, and A bar minus, that is X1 I cap plus Y1 J cap plus Z1 K cap. Then I cap here common, X2 minus X1 remaining terms in bracket plus J cap is common, the remaining terms Y2 minus Y1. Here also K cap is common, the remaining term Z2 minus Z1 in bracket. The distance of AB bar is equal to under root the coefficient of I cap, that is X2 minus X1 square, plus coefficient of J cap, that is Y2 minus Y1 square, plus coefficient of K cap, that is Z2 minus Z1 square. Similarly, we take the collinearity of 3 points, 4 points, same points. We take the when we take the distance points of position vectors A bar, B bar and C bar, 3 points, the collinearly of 3 exist the non-zero scalars X, Y and Z axis, such as the XA bar plus YB bar plus ZC bar is equal to 0 bar and X plus Y plus Z is equal to 0. Then we take the collinearity of 4 points, that is we point add here A, B, C and D, fourth point. Then the its position vectors A bar, B bar, C bar and D bar. There exist 4 scalars X, Y, Z and W. Then we denote the xi bar plus yb bar plus zc bar plus wd bar is equal to 0, and we denote x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 0. Linearly dependent factors a bar, b bar, c bar be non-zero factors, then they are said to be linearly dependent. If there exist its scalars exist x, y, z, not all 0, such that the xi bar plus yb bar plus zc bar is equal to 0, such the factors a bar, b bar and c bar are coplanar. And independent factors linearly, a bar, b bar and c bar, we take the non-zero factors, then they are said to be linearly independent. That is, if we take the xi bar plus yb bar plus zc bar is equal to 0 bar, then x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 0. Where x, y and z are scalars, such factors a bar, b bar and c bar are non-coplanar. Okay, we will stop here.